Hi friends. Okay, so temperatures are dropping. It's winter time. My kids love hot chocolate, one of their favorite things of the season. And I don't want them to have hot chocolate all the time, right? So actually, the rule at our house is there has to be snow on the ground for you to get hot chocolate, and you have to go out and play in the snow first. Except this awesome recipe for healthy hot chocolate that they can have anytime. And guess what? It's okay for moms too, right? So, okay, here we go. I'm gonna flip it around. I think I am. There we go. Okay, so I just fire up my Keurig and grab a coffee mug. This is one of my favorites from Terry Dial. And 8 ounces of hot water, and you're ready to go. And then what I do is I grab a blender bottle out of here, and I put the hot water in the blender bottle, and then I add a package of this Dutch chocolate, all plant-based drink mix. Totally clean. Give it to my pre-adolescent kiddos, and I put it in the shaker bottle and shake it up because there's so much beautiful fiber in there that it doesn't always stir real great with a spoon. Wire whisk would totally work fine too. But if you do decide to use the blender bottle, burp it pretty frequently. Can I do this? There we go. Pop. And then shake it up again. And you can also use coffee instead of hot water. And of course, you can warm up 8 ounces of plant milk. I like to do it with water because it is a little bit thicker. And you can also water it down too, right? And so healthy hot chocolate, it's totally yummy. I totally faked you out. That's an empty coffee mug. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the recipe, and your kids are gonna think you're the best mom ever because you just gave them hot chocolate with no restrictions.